What's up, guys? I want to take a second to talk about the Real Deal Airsoft CNC double O-ring cylinder head for Airsoft systems and what we did to make this different. So the main product difference is the thickness of the shaft. Real Deal Airsoft got that thick shaft you heard the third. So let's take a look at a standard cylinder head, and you see the profile. This material is so thin. So the thinner profile is more prone to higher vibrations and higher deformities. There's a larger chance of this breaking if you drop it. We found really consistent FPS outputs with the thicker shaft and overall better accuracy. So that's one thing that the Real Deal Airsoft did with their cylinder heads to make it different. So if you're curious about this, make sure you head over to our website, therealdealairsoft.com, to grab yourself a girthy shaft.